Alright, so today we're going to be graphing a system of inequalities. That's what you should be able to do by the end of the class period. We have an hour and a half with each other. If you can't do it by then I don't know what to tell you, tater tots. The first one says graph each system of inequalities. So that's what the directions are going to ask you to do. Now, most of the time, they're going to be in slope-intercept form, but if they're not in slope-intercept form, what do you have to do? Put them in slope-intercept form. Look at us go. It's like we've learned something this year. The first one that we're going to do is y is greater than negative 2x plus 1, and y is less than or equal to x plus 3. So remember, we've graphed linear inequalities before. Remember when we used the solid or dashed line?
Yeah.
And y'all remember when we did the stained glass window?
Yeah.
So we're still using that to do what we're going to do today. Now, I want you to take your two colors that you have, and I want you to mark one color with one of the colors, and the other color with the other color. If you're using markers, don't press down hard because it'll bleed through. Now, are both of these in slope-intercept form?
Yes.
Yes. So, we are going to draw a coordinate plane. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's start with our pink line. How are we going to graph that? What are we going to do first?
Go up one.
Go up one.
Go up one and put a dot. We're graphing this one first. Now, our slope is negative 2. So are we going to go up or down?
Yeah.
Down how many?
2.
And then?
Right one.
Right 1. Down 2, right 1. If you go down, you go to the right. Down 2 on a negative. Down 2, right 1. Do it again. Down 2, right 1. Now, we need to go all the way across the graph.
So then you go up to left one.
Up 2, left 1. Up 2, left 1. Up 2, left 1. Now, don't connect your dots yet. Are we going to have a solid or a dashed line? A dashed. Why?
Because it doesn't have a line under it.
Because it doesn't have a line under it. Awesome. So I want you to make sure you go all the way across your graph, and I want you to make a dashed line. Now, tell me, on this one, are we going to shade above or below?
Above.
Above. Why?
Because it's greater than.
It's greater than, so we're going to shade above. So I'm going to take my colored pencil, and I'm going to shade everywhere above the line. It's going to be beautiful when we do both of our lines. Get excited.
I like that window thing.
Yeah? Awesome.
We should do another one.
Did you like that project the most out of our projects?
Yeah. Oh, that project. I like the train.
The train was a lot of fun, too.
I like the window thing.
Look at my little
The window? What?
Don't you just shade with this?
Yeah. Here. What's your other color?
Red.
Alright, now let's graph our other line. Let's graph this blue line. Can anybody tell me what we do first?
Go up 3.
1, 2, 3, and put a dot. Alright, now what do I do?
You go down. You go up one, right one.
Up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. Do I also need to go down 1, left 1?
Yes.
Because we have to go all the way across. Now, when we graphed our system of equations, we wanted them to intersect at one point, right? And that point was our solution. With a system of inequalities, we have multiple solutions. So am I going to connect this with a solid line or a dashed line? A solid. And am I going to shade above or below? Below. Look at that. Our colors are going to overlap. Now, what do you think that means where our colors overlap?
Oh, the thing turned off.
Oh.
That's back on.
Okay. What do you think that means? What did our learning target say?
I can
grab a system of
It says, I can graph a system of linear inequalities and
identify these solutions.
identify the solutions. So what do you think it is where the two colors overlap?
It has no solution.
No.
So
Those are the solution. Where the two colors are, these are the solutions. So, where your two colors overlap, solutions. Now, the reason is because your solution has to be greater than your pink line, but less than the blue line. So, right here, this section is greater than the pink line, right? But is it less than the blue line? Nope. Now, this one is less than the blue line, but is it greater than the pink line? No, because it's not above the pink line. Right here, is this greater than the pink line? Right here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Y'all,
Oh no.
this is above the pink line. Is it below the blue line? So this isn't anything. But over here, it's above the pink line, it's below the blue line. That's our solution. Are you ready for the next one?
yeah, that was pretty easy.
It was. Alright, B. Does anybody have any questions before we move to the next problem?
Yeah. So like we do that and like is every single one gonna colors overlap?
That's what we're going to find out.
So we just find the solution.
I know what the solution, but what solution is.
It's all of these. So you could pick any point in here and that would satisfy that system.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, B. Let's look at B. Ooh, let's go crazy.
Yeah.
We are. Because we've had a whole year of lessons and we can do it.
Oh no.
What do you think about these two?
It's crazy.
I don't like it.
Don't like you. You know what I'm saying?
Why?
Because we have to do the.
Because there's no X.
There's no X in the first one? So what axis is it going to pass through?
Why?
The Y.
Right. So we can do that one.
That one's easy.
What about this one?
That one we have to you have to do something for
Hello?
You're not allowed to solve it.
We're going to have to solve it for what?
Why?
For Y. It's got to be in slope intercept form. So everybody put a box around Y. Now, how would we get Y by itself? What would we need to do?
Subtract it.
Yep. Do I flip my sign?
Yes.
When is the only time I flip my sign with inequalities?
There's
When you multiply or divide by a negative.
Yeah.
So it stays the same, and it's negative x plus 1. Now I can graph it, right? I can graph both of them. I'm going to graph this one in green, and I'm going to graph this one in orange. Use your two colors to mark which line is which. And let's create a coordinate plane. You can tell me how to do one of them, but I would like somebody else to have a chance to tell me how to do the other one. Sure, tell me how to do the first one, my green one. Tell me what I need to do.
Alright, so it's y less than 3.
Less than or equal to 3. Okay, so what do I need to do?
You're gonna Wait, no, I know.
Okay.
Alright, so you're gonna count right 3 times. No?
It's gonna pass through Y.
Oh, never mind. You go up 3.
Up 3. Now, am I gonna pass through the x-axis at all?
No.
So it's just gonna be a horizontal line.
Yeah.
Is it gonna be a solid line or a dashed line? Why?
Because it's got a line.
Because it's got a line under it. So we're gonna make a solid line through Y at 3.
Do you have to get another color?
Wait, I'm not done. Do we shade above or below?
Below.
Below.
Do we have to get another color?
Yeah, we're gonna have 2.
Also another color?
No, you can use the same colors.
Wow.
Now, why did I shade below?
Because it's less than.
It's less than. Less than you shade below. Hey, remember that hatefulness? We're going to work on that for the last week. We're not going to be so hateful. Reggie, do I need your help? Okay. Alright, now Reggie, can you tell me how to graph the orange one? I'm going to go up 1 and put a dot. And then,
Down 1, right 1.
Reggie is telling me.
Down 1.
Down 1, and do I do it again? And again? And again? Do I go all the way across the graph?
Yeah.
Should I also then go up 1 and left 1?
Yeah. And it's gonna be solid line.
It's going to be a solid line. Now, these do meet at a point, right?
Yeah.
But we're not as worried about that this time because it's an inequality. And remember, with inequalities, we have infinite solutions. You know to knock on my door. That doesn't mean we don't knock at it. Get it together, Tater Tot. Did you find what you needed? Okay, goodbye. Alright, now where are my solutions? Are my solutions over here?
Yes. No.
Does this have both of the colors right here? Alright, what about right here?
Yes. No.
No.
What about right here?
No.
What about here?
Yes.
Yes, because that has both of the colors. You tell me. Oh, I did it wrong. I shaded below. What should I have done? I should have shaded above like Natalie. High five, Natalie.
Wait, above?
Above.
You know what's funny? I didn't even
You're
shade
like,
it,
wait,
so...
not yet.
No.
It's bad. I didn't even do it, so now I can do it here.
Awesome. Okay, so wait, does that change where my solutions are? It does. Now where are my solutions?
On the top.
On the top right, correct?
Yeah.
In this section? Man, oh man.
Yeah.
It was horrible.
Ay, ay, ay. Good job, Natalie.
Damn, Reggie, what you mean I said it? I'm saying Austin both trying to tell you.
Y'all wanted to.
You were like, not yet, not yet.
Who are y'all? Y'all are crazy.
I'm disappointed.
You're disappointed?
They're trying to crack.
Okay, now, that's a great, now that I've made that mistake, that's a great thing for me because I was going to ask the next question. Is it important on these to pay attention to the sign?
Yeah.
Because that changes our whole solution, right?
Yeah.
We went from having solutions down here to that being wrong and having solutions over here. So it is very important that we watch our sign. Super sorry I got excited.
You're always excited.
I know. Alright, can you try one without me maybe? Or do you want to do one more together?
No, try one without.
Okay, try it without me. I like the enthusiasm, children.
Aha.
We like, we grown up. We don't like.
I don't quite know about grown up, but
We really like living in sewers. They just like difficult.
those are called Ninja Turtles.
Wait, Austin,
He doesn't get it.
You did. You don't know the Ninja Turtles.
Who doesn't know the Ninja Turtles?
Basically, you.
Like, no, I'm talking about.
Alright, let's do this problem.
What? Like, just be quiet. You don't understand. Oh, the first one's already in. Yeah, if you pay attention. She just says I'm being rude. You're being rude.
I would love if you would just do this problem. I'm telling you.
Whoa. Oh, is that? I'm looking at that.
I'm done.
Okay, so this is what mine looks like. Now let's look at what I did. I subtracted 3x from both sides, so I got negative 3x plus 2. And then for this one, I went down 4, put a dot, and that's a horizontal line. It's greater than, so you shade above. You have to pay attention to your signs. With this one, I went up 2, put a dot, and then I went down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1. It's less than, so I shade below. So these are my solutions.
I got it right.
Check yours against mine. Are you ready for another one?
Yeah, we do it by ourselves again.
No.
Forever. Until 11:20.
It's on the board, Rich.
If we were on block schedule all year, this would be fine. It would be normal. We wouldn't be like freaking out right now.
11:20. It's too long.
Miss Asper,
You always not having 2 hours.
are we not having third period?
The schedule's on the board.
You don't have to count.
Is that for
Tuesday?
tomorrow?
Does that say Tuesday or Wednesday?
Tuesday.
Today Monday? Today Monday?
Today, Tater.
Oh, I thought it was Monday.
We were together yesterday, remember? But we were still together for a little while. Alright, let's do this
Is
one.
this same schedule for tomorrow?
No.
Is it like third and fourth period longer?
Wait, first, second, and fourth? Third, fifth?
I want to do this one together. The first part. Not the graphing, just the first part. Now, do both of these need to be solved for y? They do, right? So, wait, Tater.
Calm down.
Tater tots. Tater.
Alright, I'm going to do this one in this color, and I'm going to solve it right here. I have 3x minus y is greater than or equal to 2. So what do I need to do first? Subtract 3x. Is 3 the same as 3x?
No. No. You said yes.
Alright, now what do I need to do from here?
Divide 1.
Divide negative 1.
Divide by negative 1. Are 1 and negative 1 the same thing?
No, that's what I meant. So we,
Now, wait. I divided by a negative.
Or sign flips.
sign flip.
Why?
Because you divide by
Divide is your sign flip.
Are y'all sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Okay. Just making sure.
You just told us it earlier. You just told us that.
Alright, what's negative 3 divided by negative 1?
Negative 3. No, positive 3.
And what's 2 divided by negative 1?
Negative 2. Go.
Now, can you use those same skills and solve the second one for y?
Yeah, easy.
Alright, do the same thing.
Oh, okay.
You can do it. You can do it.
You put some good music.
Hmm?
You put some good music.
Right now you should be working.
I know.
No. gonna shoot. I got him, Zephyr. I got him.
You ready?
No, wait, already.
Okay, hold on.
I'll just look you.
Hey. No negativity.
Yeah, that's me, dude. We are all kind in this class.
Okay, well, we're not liars, but we're going to work towards being kind. How about that?
We ain't kind, dude.
All right, Reggie, can you tell me what you did first right here?
I almost had
You subtracted
3. Yeah, 3x.
3x. Those are two different things, right? And you get negative y is less than negative 3x minus 5. Did everybody get to that point?
Yes.
I did.
All right.
5, negative 1.
Reggie is telling me this one.
I couldn't hear him. Reggie, you can tell her. Oh, you ready? Sorry. Now you do, divide negative y. Y? No, dude. Not y. Yeah, what is it? It's negative 1. Doesn't matter. 1 and y are. Hey, Buster, quiet, dude.
Hey.
Then you do, y.
So, wait. Did I divide by a negative? What happens?
Look, sign flips. So it's greater than
All right, what's negative 3 divided by negative 1?
positive 3. Positive 3.
What's negative 5 divided by negative 1?
Positive 5. And you solve it.
Does everybody see how we solve those? Do
Yeah.
you have any questions on that?
Oh,
Now let's graph this because this is a fun one. This is a fun one. Austin.
Oh, weird.
Alright, so, okay, I need you to stop. Let's graph this one. What do I do first? I go down 2, and then what do I do?
If you go up 3, right 1.
Do I do it again?
2, 3.
Is it going to be a solid or dash line?
Solid.
Solid.
Wait, what are you doing? You're gonna go down.
Wow. That.
And you're gonna
Do I shade above or below?
below. No, you say below.
Yeah, it's solid.
Below. It's less than, so it's below.
Less than is
A
below.
little boat.
Yeah, you heard that.
Alright, now let's shade our, you know you don't have to make your graph that giant, right?
Well, I did it on the front page. I did it paper. It's too small. And
Okay.
I had a whole page out there. I'm just gonna look at this.
Okay. Alright, let's graph this purple one. What do I do first?
Up 5.
And then,
Then you go up 3. Right. See, that's why I did it, because I ran out of room.
could I also go down 3 and left 1? Solid or dash line?
Solid.
Dash.
Yeah, that.
Do I shade above or below? Above. But wait, do our colors cross?
No.
So what's the answer? No solution!
Yeah, about time.
Isn't it exciting?
Yeah.
You ready for another one?
Yeah.
Do y'all want to go crazy?
Yeah. Gonna be a crazy go crazy.
Let's go crazy. Y'all are going to do it without me. We're going to go crazy. For nothing.
That's how we're gonna feel without Miss Asbury.
What?
We're gonna be nothing.
How are you going to function next year without me?
Wait, you're going to be our teacher next year?
Where'd Jada go?
And what if you don't have Miss Flocker? What are you going to do next year without
I
us?
don't know.
What if she's not your co-teacher?
I'm gonna kill myself.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Yeah.
Do not say that. That's not even funny.
Just say our last words, put a pistol in my head, and
Stop. I'm not kidding. Stop. That's crazy.
If you want to talk about that at home, it's fine, but that is
Stop. No.
we don't want to hear about it.
Grab this one without me.
I don't know.
Alright, do your graphs match mine?
Yeah, mine does. Mine
Gets me
does. See,
confused.
mine looks better.
So this time we had X, and we said at the beginning it was going to be a vertical line, right?
Oh, yeah.
And Miss Flocker was helping some of y'all graph this. Which way do we shade on this one? What did she tell y'all?
To
To the right.
To the left.
Why?
To the
Because it's greater than
right. To the left.
So what numbers are greater than 4?
5.
And? So we go to the right.
35.
Awesome.
Oh yeah.
Wait, oh, so for someone to go downgrade thing, but like,
Rubber Deb Biz.
Yep.
that's not something.
Okay. Alright, now, am I going to shade above or below for this one?
Below.
Why?
Because it's less than.
Because it's less than. Now, where are my solutions? Are they right here?
On the bottom.
Are they right here?
The bottom right.
Are these solutions right here?
No.
What about here?
Yes.
Right
No.
here?
No. No, I thought you pointed.
Where both colors are.
Yes. Solution.
Alright, I am going to run and make a copy real quick of this worksheet for you.
Oh, no.
You're going to work out one more problem.
Alright. Make it a hard one.
Una más.
Hard.
You know what I mean?
Make it like the hardest one ever.
Oh, you do
She
want
want
to
a
play
hard one.
Uno?
Natalie said she want a hard one.
Want to play some Uno, Miss Asbury? I'll beat you. I know a lot.
Alright, you got to convert that one to slope intercept form.
Are you gonna
I'll be
pause
right
it?
back, Miss Walker.
Are you gonna
Unless
pause
I
it?
run away.
Are you gonna pause it?
Don't run away.
It's a movie.
Oh, I tried to pause.
I guess that remind you. You're
Thank
gonna hear
you.
things
Good
that
that
you
you
don't
pay
want to hear.
attention.
It's like a container that if you put water in and leave it at night, it's cold by itself. It stays cold.
No, it's not.
I don't know what this weirdo's talking about. Hold on just a
I'm
minute.
talking
What?
about products.
It's solid. Yeah, it's just solid one. Did anybody get theirs right? Does it match mine? Awesome! Good job.
Anyway.
Wait just a minute. Now, the worksheet that I put on your desk, I want you to do 1 through 9. We're working on it right now, not just saving it for homework. 1 through 9. We're doing...
It's Miss Arias. It's left from my desk.
Of course. Thank you. We're going to do 10, 11, and 12 together. 1 through 9. Does everybody understand?
Yeah, are we?